Hi and welcome to Everyday Vlog with Rich Pasini. Today is February 25th, 2019. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and you come back for more. Today I want to do some eBay news, talk a little about what's going on in the world of eBay and e-commerce. That's coming up. Stick around. Okay, the first story we got here, folks, is from E-Commerce Bytes, and this was published February 24th, 2019. It says eBay sellers are not better off after PayPal split. Let's read a little more about it, folks. It goes on to say sellers are not better off after eBay split with PayPal in 2015. And eBay's rollout of managed payment is one of the major reasons cited by sellers. It says we surveyed sellers in January to gauge their reaction after the activist investor Elliott Management approached the eBay board of directors. Since Elliott is recommending, the board considered selling to subsidiaries who wanted to know what happened the last time eBay was confronted in this manner. We asked sellers. An activist investor called Icon forced eBay to split with PayPal in July 2015. As a seller, are better off today. Yeah, it says as a seller, are you better off today as a result of eBay split with PayPal? 14% said they were better off, while 65% said they were not better off. Some sellers said that the split made claims that the customer service is more difficult. They just toss you back and forth between each other when there is a problem, one seller said. Now, I don't know how you guys feel about this here. I haven't had no problem with that since they are splitting, since they had split up. From that time on, I've had really good response with the customer service. I never had any issues with them. They were very helpful to me. If you guys had any problems, drop it in the comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. But let's move right along because I do have some windows open up, folks. Same company, E-Commerce Bytes. And if you guys want to know where I'm getting information from, it's from www.ecommercebytes.com. This one goes on to say over here, I just want to say one little quick little intro here. If you notice I'm speaking fast, it's because if you are new, I said in my prior videos, in some cases I would like to keep the reseller news, or when it comes to topics with eBay or e-commerce, I like to keep it short as possible. I'm hoping I can wrap this up within 15 minutes or less, so let's see what we can do. And you will notice I will throw the dates out there, folks, just to let you know that the information is not old. Okay, I mean it might be a day or two old, but it's pretty recent. Anyway, this one came out February 22nd, 2019. It says improved search would boost sales on Bonanza. This was written into Ina. She's the co-founder, or I should say the founder of E-Commerce Bytes, and these are sometimes sellers or buyers writing into Ina Steiner. That is the, like I said again, the owner. And it goes on to say here, dear Ina, I followed the results of the 2019 Seller's Choice results. I noticed that the probability rating or profitability rating on Bonanza was the same as the previous year. I also noticed where sellers still complained about sales lacking on Bonanza's site. Ain't that the truth, folks? Right now I am on Bonanza, and I'll tell you the truth, sales have been flatlined. I don't know how you guys have. If you are on Bonanza, let me know what you think. But let's read a little more into this here. I believe there is sound reason as to what contributes to the lack of sales directly from the Bonanza website. Over the years, we have mentioned that the search functionality needs work when doing a site-wide search. We said if it worked, better off we felt it would get more sales. And then it goes on to say, I'm not going to expand too much on these topics, because as I said, I got quite some windows open here, and I want to really try to get this as quick as possible. It says, to this day, the search functionality I'm speaking on further below has not gotten resolved, or it was dealt with on Bonanza's end. They never fixed it, and it's supposed to work like it's supposed to work. Okay. Then it goes on to say over here, here is what I'm speaking. For an example, let's take the word pinecone. Wikipedia has it as two words, as we know, pinecone and pinecone are used interchangeably depending on the person. And then we have pine cones and pine cones with the S at the end. Bonanza search functionality does not recognize any of these as being the same in the search. More importantly, there is just too much difference in the if an S is added at the end when putting two words together as one. And then it goes on to say here are the results I'm getting as of tonight when doing a site-wide search on Bonanza. Pine cone 1157. Pine cone when it's one word, it's 1037. Pinecone 716, and so on and so forth. If you guys want to continue reading the rest of the story, you could do that there. You know the website and the URL. Let's move right along. This one here came out February 24, 2019. Sellers weigh in on selling eBay subsidiaries. Active investor Carl Icahn forced eBay to split with PayPal in July 2015. But in a survey conducted last month, and in the majority of sellers, they said they were not better off as a result of the breakup. E-commerce Bytes conducted a survey after another activist investor, Elliott Management, approached eBay's board of directors on January 22nd, 2019, and recommended actions eBay should take to become better and more valuable company, including considering selling off subsidiaries. In last month's survey, we asked sellers, activist investor Carl Icahn forced eBay to split with PayPal in 2015. As a seller, are you better off today as a result of eBay split with PayPal? And again, we got the statistics here. Only 14% said they were better off, while 65% said they were not better off. A surprising number said they did not know, 21%. Okay, I think we've read this earlier. I guess I picked up on it because it said sellers weigh in on selling subsidiaries. That's probably why I picked it up. So sorry about that if it sounds like a repeat there, but sorry about that. Let's move right along. I hope this ain't going to be another one. Okay, let's see over here. This one here came out. Oh, they keep getting some notice over here. It says eBay spurs sellers to offer tiered volume discounts. This one came out February 23rd, 2019. eBay UK is running a promotion to encourage sellers to offer volume price and discounts through its feature it calls multi-buy. In the UK, called volume pricing. In the US, eBay also revealed that was working on introducing discounts on multi-variation listings in 2019. The multi-buy merchandising feature is part of eBay's Promotion Manager. You can see examples of the other types of the promotions sellers can run on this page. Well, if you click that active hyperlink on, you can see it, including order size discounts, markdown sales events, shipping discounts, codeless coupons, and volume pricing, which eBay launched in September. And then it goes on to say here, multi-buy is designed to increase the average order size. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. eBay describes the current multi-buy UK seller promotion as follows, and you could read the rest of this here as well. They even got a little video clip here. You could check it out. Because I want to keep the video short, I am not going to expand too much on this topic. And let's move right along. This one goes on to say here, it's an Amazon story. Amazon enforces safety requirements for children's school supplies. Came out February 23rd, 2019. Amazon notified sellers about enforcement measures and its taking in children's school supplies. It required safety documentation for those products by the February 13, 2019. Otherwise, it promised to pull the ASINs from its site. The enforcement relates to strict rules around the sale of children's products created by the Consumer Product Safety Commission in 2009 after Congress passed the Consumer Safety Product Improvement Act. Okay, and if you guys want to read more of this here, folks, you know the URL and you know the site. Let's move right along. Here we have over here, eBay promises advertise the month of madness with the help of ESPN. This came out February 23rd, 2019. eBay appealed to advertisers trying to reach sports fans with the promise of an exciting season of March Madness. NCAA college basketball, thanks in its part to some help from the collaboration with sports television network ESPN. eBay entered into a partnership with ESPN last September to make its sports equipment, fashion apparel, memorabilia, and collectibles more discoverable on ESPN.com web and mobile web, with eBay reaching 53.4% of all sports enthusiasts online. The ESPN /eBay collaboration was no-brainer, the company said. And then it goes on a little more to say here, sports enthusiasts spend an average of 33 minutes looking through over 1.2 billion active listings during the March Madness timeframe. Many of them are searching for sports-related products, and eBay said brands like Nike and Callaway garner much of the spend. And you can read the rest of this here. I know there's not that much to read left, but I want to move right along. Got one more window open up. And last but not least, this one here is what Stamps.com postal news means for online sellers. This story came out February 23rd, 2019. It says Stamps.com rocked the shipping world when it revealed its relationship with the USPS was changing in a drastic way. Stamps.com CEO Ken McBride said he no longer sees an exclusive partnership with the USPS as the right strategy for the Stamps.com, and outlined a new strategic direction for the company while keeping Amazon's growing presence in mind. Wow. It goes on to say here, when our customers are offered services such as shipping with Amazon, FedEx, One Rate, UPS, new products, regional carriers, Uber shipping, ship from store, and everything else, we have to bring those solutions to our customers so that they can always choose the best alternative for their businesses, McBride said during a conference call with Wall Street analysts to discuss the fourth quarter earnings. It is difficult to pin down the ramifications and the winners and losers of this development. And keep in mind the company's brand solutions include Stamps.com, Indicia, ShipStation, ShipWorks, Shipping Easier, and Metapack. Then it goes on to say, let's look at the Thursday's revelations impact online sellers who use Stamps.com service, at least for the immediate future. We checked with Eric Nash, Senior Director of Online Marketing for Stamps.com. Okay, and it goes a little more on here to say, and I'm not going to read this here because I will get tongue-tied, and I definitely want to close this video out, folks. This is kind of like basically a news brief, if you want to know the truth. I'm going to bump out of here and be right with you. Well, that concludes this reseller news brief. I hope you guys got a little something out of this here. For those who aren't new, I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy day to check my video out. I also would like to state that in the prior videos I did say that I would like to keep the reseller news down to between 10 and 15 minutes and not cover too many topics, because it was protracting a lot longer than expected. And doing my own research through YouTube, stuff like that, they got all those analytical tools and stuff to use. I found that some subscribers or even potential people that hit the channel were not watching it as much, so I decided to keep it as cryptic and short as possible. So looking at it just now, it seems like it's like about 10 minutes for that video I did. If people want to see me do more longer videos, drop it in the comments below, but I doubt it. However, I'm going to be doing a video next about how to create a subscribe button using Filmora 8. I use two different browsers, and I want two different video editing software. One is CyberLink PowerDirector 14, and of course the other one is Filmora 8 version. So I'm going to show you that's coming up. So I hope you guys will check it out if you get the chance. And again, my name is Rich Pasini. I just want to thank you all for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. I know it's short and brief. I know I'm speaking fast, but I don't want to take too much of your time up. And like I said again, I would like to try to keep these videos short. So if you do like my videos and you are new to my channel and you do like the content I put out, folks, I just want you to know one thing really quick. This is a clean content channel. I do not discuss religion and politics, and I do not use any profanity on my YouTube channel. So if you want a clean content channel, and if you want to hear it straight, you want the straight talk, please check it out. I do not sugarcoat anything. I tell it like it is. So that's the way I run that's how I'm going to do this channel, and that's the way it's going to be going forward. If you do want to see me talk about different topics, or have different ideas that you would like to share with me, please drop it in the comments below. Contact me which way you want. I also got my personal email address listed in the comments below. You could always contact me that way, or even just through the comment section on YouTube. This is Rich Pasini signing off. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to check out that next video I'm going to be putting out on how to create a subscribe button for your YouTube channel. I think you'll like it. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye now.